Alright, come with me. Hi! Namaste.
Alabamusa, no money.
No, actually we're from India. We are top Indian pranksters. We just need your help to prank some Nigerians.
Okay, I'm from India. You do prank.
Exactly.
So what's the need for me?
We will tag you on our social media and that's more recognition.
You will tag me, you promise?
I will tag you, promise.
Let's do
Alright,
it.
thank you. So all you need to do is just take this iron as a gun to scare them. I know it's not a gun, but
Okay, I'll just see it's a gun.
Exactly, fake gun. On.
Shoot. Oh yeah, now let's
Alright, let's go.
Your money or your life? You move, I shoot you with my gun. You look, I will shoot you if you look back. Sharp. Yeah. Off the back. Good. Yeah, let's go. Good. Hey! If you look back, I will shoot you. I bust your head. Oh God, you go shoot me. Oh God, you go shoot me. Because on my phone, document 3 days I passed my life. Oh God, you must shoot me. Just go. I forgive you. Oh God, you go shoot me because you don't already kill me. Because Whiskey say me can come here house today and they don't send the location. He did that phone. I wanted to. Oh God, you must kill me. You must kill me. You shoot me. This page does not support violence.
Are you playing? What type of playing is
this?
This is playing.
Oh God, you use iron rob me. I'm so sorry, my bad. I take the blame. Me, mashallah. I'm so sorry. I am it, Rabbi. Alhamdulillah.